Hello everyone. So Meta just launched their Llama 3 AI, and I wanted to just compare it with ChatGPT DALL-E 3 in terms of image generation, and let's see which is better in terms of generating images. I know if you follow me on this channel, you know I use Leonardo AI most of the time for image generation, and you can't really compare Leonardo AI with Llama 3 AI image generation because Leonardo AI is specifically for images. So let's test ChatGPT, DALL-E 3, and Meta AI. So what I'll be doing, I'll be looking at previous images that I have generated with Leonardo AI, and I will be using their prompts. I will copy the same prompt and put it in Llama 3 Meta AI and DALL-E 3 ChatGPT, and let's compare the images. Let's see which is better in image generation. So let's see this prompt details. I'll copy this. This is how Leonardo AI generated this image. This is the prompt. Create an aerial view of a residential building inspired by the unique architectural style of Anthony Gaudi. The house should embody Gothic architectural elements featuring intricate details and flamboyant organic form. So it's a long prompt that I used in generating this image. So I'll go to Meta AI first, click image generation, click here, paste here, generate. Then I'll go to ChatGPT. So generate this image, paste, and enter. So let's see what both of them come up with. Okay, so this is what I get. By the left here, this is DALL-E, while this is Llama 3. I think I must give it to DALL-E because this is clearly an aerial view, because the prompt we requested for an aerial view of a building, but this isn't really like an aerial view. This is probably like a front elevation, looking at it from the front approach view. But let me show you something that, so DALL-E, you only get one image, but Llama 3 you get 4 images. So it gives you this. You see, none of them is an aerial. Okay, this is sort of, yeah, this is an aerial view, yeah, from the top, because I can see the roof of the building, I can see the surroundings. So I think this works. But I think ChatGPT DALL-E got the architectural style, is more closer to Anthony Gaudi's style than this. This is all, yeah, it tried, actually, it tried. Yeah, but I'll give it to DALL-E 3 for this. Then I also saw something like animate. Let me try this out. Let's see what happens. But again, this prompt is a very complex prompt. You can see how long it is. Okay. Oh wow. Nice. Can I control the speed of the animation? No, I cannot. But this is a good, I think this is good for image generation or concept analysis. If you want to analyze a quick concept and see how it moves when you animate it. So let's try a simpler prompt. So I'll go back to my Leonardo AI. I want to check let me cancel all these images. Let's use a simpler prompt. Let's use this. This is how these images, this is what Leonardo AI gave me. The prompt is a very simple prompt. Exterior building with a biophilic architecture, 8K resolution. So I'll just copy this, go to Meta AI, paste, then generate, then go to DALL-E, paste, then generate. Let's compare both of them. This is a much more simpler prompt. Let's see what the book come up with. Okay, so remember, this is what Leonardo AI gave me for that same prompt. Exterior building with a biophilic architecture, This is what Leonardo gave me. So drum roll, let's see DALL-E and Llama 3. This is it. So by the left you have DALL-E 3, by the right you have Llama 3, and I must say both of them look stunning. But I have looked at these two images, and one thing that I notice is this. Look at DALL-E 3, look at the details of the global illumination here. So you can see underneath this slab, you can see the texture, you can see there's light that gets to it. Same here, same here, same around these areas. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, see? So if I see, can you see this? Yeah, so there's global illumination getting there. So that's global illumination is something that brings out the realism in 3D images. But if you go to Llama 3, see how dark these sides are. So Llama 3 isn't really getting the GI properly. So you can see this, see how dark this, see? It's all dark. It's all dark. Compare this to DALL-E 3. So I think although the image looks nice, it looks presentable. I like the lighting. See, yeah, it's kind of like a an evening scene. Then you see the lights turned on the ground floor. Yeah. Same here, same here. I like the lighting too. I like the lighting as well. But I think DALL-E wins in this in terms of global illumination. So let's try a much more easier prompt this time around. So I'll go back to my Leonardo AI feed. I think I have one, but first let me close these images. Okay, so let's try this. Let's try this. Full body image of an elephant wearing African jewelries. So this is a simple prompt. So I'll just copy this. Let me show you the image. So this is the image from Leonardo AI. So I'll go to our new. Oh, let's try the animate first. Let's see the animate. Let's see what it does. Let's see. I love this animate. Let me see how it looks like. I want to see if the global illumination will change when the building is moving. Can take some time. For some reason, the animate just gets stuck on this page. Nothing really happens. So let's just paste our prompt here. A full body image of an elephant wearing African jewelries. So generate. Let's get to DALL-E. Generate, and let's see what both of them come up with. Let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer, DALL-E 3 or Llama 3 in terms of image generation? Which one would you be using going forward for image generation if you're not using Leonardo AI or other image generating applications? So let me know which one, Llama 3 or DALL-E 3. So see this looks nice. Let me save this. This is nice. This is DALL-E 3. Let's see Meta. Okay. Personally, I think DALL-E goes with this. See the details. See the details. Almost. This can almost compete with Leonardo. Let me put Leonardo by the side. Actually. Wow. So something I must tell you about all these image generation. A lot of all these AI apps have their strengths and weaknesses. So you might use Llama 3, and Llama 3 is good for cartoon styles. You might use DALL-E, and DALL-E is good for generating animals. Yeah, because I have a feeling DALL-E 3 is very good at generating animals because of how this came out. I have Leonardo AI by the left and this is with Alchemy. This is with Alchemy. Then this is DALL-E 3 by the right. Look at I love the way it put the jewelries around the elephants. Yeah, even better than this. But when you compare it to Meta, let's look at the other images. Okay. I have other images. Look at this. But I think I'll still prefer none of them. I think I prefer DALL-E. So let me know in the comments, which do you prefer, DALL-E 3 or Llama 3? But this is a new application from Meta in terms of their image generation. That's Llama 3. So hopefully it would get better over time. So let me know in the comments which one you prefer, which one you'll be using. And on this channel, I post regularly on topics such as creativity and artificial intelligence. So if you're interested and you want to upgrade your AI skills, hit subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this comparison video. Peace.